You didn't even turn your phone down, idiot.
So
It was all the way up.
that doesn't matter.
I just put it down on silent call.
Okay.
Dang, stupid. You sitting there and put the phone on all the way up.
Well, I was
then
paying
turn it
too
down.
much attention to this.
I know. I looked up. I saw you recording it.
Yeah, I know. I was aiming for you to see that.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
How are you today?
Very good.
I wasn't talking to you, but I was talking to them.
So what? I was talking to you.
But I wasn't talking to you.
But I was talking to you.
But I was talking to you.
But I was talking to you.
But I wasn't talking to you.
Well, that's too bad.
Is he even here today?
What?
I said Luis isn't coming that way. Is he even here today?
I hope not.
Why?
Cause
Because what?
I'm kidding.
No, you aren't.
Yes, I am.
No, you aren't.
We're going to math class.
You sure are.
Yep.
Dude, you know the bell what the bell rings at like 10:05, right?
Yeah.
You know we came around here in 1 minute because it's 10:06.
We're not saying it.
What?
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 Okay.
Good.
Jabari, what's up, bro?
Yeah.